If you need a simple way to share files, photos, or project documents with other people, creating a shared Google Drive folder is one of the easiest methods available. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a shared folder in Google Drive, how to add the right people, and how to choose the best permission settings so your files stay organized and secure. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the main Drive page, look for the New button on the left side of the screen. Click Plus New, then choose Folder from the menu. A small window will pop up asking you to name your folder. Give it a clear name that matches what you plan to store inside it, then click Create. After the folder appears in your Drive, the next step is to share it with other people. Right-click the folder you just created and select Share. This will open the sharing panel where you can add people individually. In the box provided, type the email addresses of the people you want to give access to. You can add one email or multiple emails depending on who needs access. Next, choose the permission level carefully. If someone only needs to view files, select Viewer. If they should be able to leave feedback but not make changes, choose Commenter. And if you want them to upload, edit, and manage content in the folder, choose Editor. Picking the right permission is important because it controls exactly what each person can do inside the shared folder. Once you've entered the emails and selected the correct access level, click Send to share the folder. The people you invited will receive an email notification with access to the folder. If needed, you can also go back later and adjust permissions by opening the share settings again. This is useful if someone needs more access, less access, or if you want to remove them completely. One helpful tip is to keep your folder names simple and specific so everyone knows what the folder is for right away. Another good idea is to only give editor access to people who truly need it, since that keeps your files safer. And if you're sharing with a team, organizing everything into one shared folder can make collaboration much faster and much easier to manage. So to recap, open Google Drive, create a new folder, right-click it, choose Share, add the email addresses, set the permission level, and send the invite. That's all it takes to create a shared Google Drive folder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.